Welcome everyone to this one. This question is from paper 2 of JEE Advance. The question which we have is that of an electric dipole. So, in this electric dipole, what is happening is that there are two charges. One charge is placed at 2 mm from origin, other is at minus 2 mm, and we are given the potential due to this configuration at a point P, roughly 100 square root 2 mm away from the dipole. So you can see from the size of the dipole that the dipole is very small in comparison to the distance. So we can use the formula which is available to us, that is Kp cos theta upon r cube. This is the electric potential of the dipole, right? So here the angle theta is this one. This angle which we have, this is the theta angle, and basically first we'll find what is the initial dipole moment, that is P. So that is some 4 into charge q, because the distance between the charges is 4 and the individual charge is q, and then we'll put that here. So this would be v naught, says k 4q. So after doing this whole calculation, then we'll turn the dipole by some angle. This angle with which it is additional turn, let us say that is alpha. So alpha would be tan inverse of 1 by 2, because this distance is 1 and this vertical distance is 2. So here tan alpha is 1 by 2. Complete angle which the dipole makes in the second case would be alpha plus the angle which we have 45 degree. This theta angle is 45 degree. So the new potential is K, again the new electric dipole moment P dash cos of 45 degree plus this new angle alpha divided by r cube. The distance has remained the same. So basically what is tan alpha plus theta? So tan alpha plus theta, we can write as tan alpha plus tan theta divided by 1 1 minus tan alpha tan theta. So we can just substitute the values here. So this would become alpha is tan alpha is 1 by 2 plus tan theta is 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So this value would be some 3. So tan of this whole angle is 3, so cos of this whole angle, so cos alpha plus theta, this is equal to uh, 1 divided by square root of this is 1 by 2, this is 3 by 2. So that is correct. uh, So this would be 1 upon square root of 10. So if we substitute that value in b dash, we get kp dash cos 1 by square root 10 divided by r cube. Now p dash is equal to the same charge q into the new distance. So the new distance being 2 square plus 4 square. So that is 2 square plus 4 square. So that is square root 2 into q into root 10. So when we put that value here, this value becomes k square root 2 q square root 10 divided by r cube divided by root 10. So this is root kq by r cube, and this is 2 root 2 kq by r cube. So v by v dash, the v dash is clearly v naught upon divided by v naught times 2, or v naught by 2. So that means B option is correct.